Hello students, today we are going to start our exercise 5C because in our previous video we have completed the exercise 5B. I hope you all are solving the questions. Solve the questions regularly for your better understanding. So today let's start the exercise 5C. Find the product. In this exercise also we have to multiply the algebraic expression. In our previous video, we have multiplied the two monomials. In our previous video, exercise 5b, we have multiplied two monomials. Here we will multiply one monomial with the trinomial or binomial. Monomial means having one term, binomial means having two terms, and trinomials means having three terms. So let's start. Find the product, and the first question is this. Here -4 is a monomial and 2y plus 7 is a binomial. Means you have to multiply a monomial with a binomial. So how you will multiply? First of all, take this -4 and multiply with 2y. Okay. And then again take this -4 and multiply with the 7. Means take the monomials and multiply in the binomial or trinomials one by one. So, when you will multiply -4 and 2y, you will get -8y. Okay. Again, when you will multiply this -4 with the +7, plus and minus will become minus, and 4 into 7 will give you 28. Clear? Here you have to multiply one monomial with the binomial. So take this -4, multiply with the 2y, then again take this -4 and multiply with the +7. When you will multiply -4 with the 2y, you will get -8y. And when you will multiply this -4 with the +7, plus minus will become minus, and 4 into 7 will give you 28. So this is your answer. Next question, x square in bracket x minus 4. X square is a monomial and x minus y is a binomial. So first of all, take this x square, multiply with the x, then again take this x square and multiply with the -4. First, when you will multiply x square with the x, you will get x cube. Again, when you will multiply this x square with the -4, here the sign of x square is plus. So the plus and minus multiply will give you minus, and x square multiplied by 4 will give you 4x square. When you will multiply x square with the x, it will give you x cube. Then again when you will multiply plus minus will give you minus, x square into 4. X square into 4 will give you 4x square. Next question. Here first it is a trinomial and here it is a monomial. Okay. So from here first you take -3x, multiply with the first term. Then -3x, multiply with the second terms. Then multiply -3x with the third term. First when you will multiply -3x into x square, first when you will multiply with this, -3 will be as it is because here the coefficient of x square is 1. So -3. X into x square will give you x cube. Means when you will multiply the first term, you will get -3x cube. Here it is written -3x cube. Now when you will take this monomial and when you will multiply with the second term, -3x into it is -x. Okay. So -3 will be as it is. X into -x. This minus will become plus, and x into x will give you x square. Remember here it is also one minus, here it is also one minus. When you will multiply 2 minus, it will become plus, and x into x will give you x square. Means the product of the second term will 3x square. And when you will multiply this, minus will become plus, and 3 into 10 will give you 30, and x will be as it is. When you will multiply the first term, -3 will be as it is, and x into x square will give you x cube. When you will multiply this with the second term, minus will become plus, and this will give you 3x square. When this minus minus will become plus, and when you will multiply 3 into 10, this will give you 30 and then x. So this is your answer. Now the second question also you have to do the product, and this is the last question from your exercise. Now here it is a trinomial, it is a monomial. So first of all, take this monomial and multiply with the first term, then take this monomial, multiply with the second term, and then take the monomial, multiply with the third term. You can also do this, that take this term and multiply with this, take this term, multiply with this, and take this, multiply with this. In both the condition your answer will be same. Okay. So, but for your better understanding and for a easy process, I am taking the monomial and I am multiplying with each one of the trinomial. So when you will multiply minus 2m square with the 6, first minus 2 into 6 will give you minus 12, and then m square will be as it is. When you will multiply this with the minus 5m, so minus minus will become plus, 2 into 5 will give you 10, and m into m square will give you m cube. So this is the product of the second term. Now third term, when you will multiply this, again the minus minus will become plus, and 2 will be as it is, m to the power 7 and m to the power 2. Base is same, so the power will be added. So m to the power 7 plus 2, 7 plus 2 means 9. So this is your answer. Next question. Again this is a trinomial and this is a monomial. So take this term and multiply with the first term, then with the second term and with the third term. So minus q to the power 4 will, when multiply with the 3, plus minus will give you minus, then 3q to the power 4. Now this minus and minus will become plus. Here the power of q is 1 and here the power of q is 4, means q to the power 5. Now with the third term, plus and minus will become minus, and 4, here the coefficient is 1. So 4 into 1, 4, q to the power 3, q to the power 4. When you will add, you will get q to the power 7. This is your answer. Now the next question, this is monomial, this is a trinomial. You have to multiply, first multiply this, then multiply this, then multiply with the last term. When you will multiply the first term, 5 into 7 will give you 35. A cube b square will be as it is. A cube b square will be as it is. Now the second term, plus minus will become minus. 5 into 2 will give you 10. Here a cube b square and here a b to the power 4. Okay. So a to the power 3 and a, we can multiply them together. So write a, and 3 plus 1 give you a to the power 4. Then multiply the b. Write b. 2 plus 4 means 6. Now the last term, this 5 into 3 will give you 15. Now what is remaining? A cube b square into a square b to the power 5. You can multiply them. So this will give you a to the power 5 and this will give you b to the power 7. When the base are same, the power will be added. So here is the end of your this exercise also. Do more and more practice for your better understanding, because if you will not practicing or if you will not solve the question by yourself, you will not understand them. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.